If your DEF warning light just came on, don't ignore it, because that small yellow light can turn into a $5,000 repair and even lock your tractor into limp mode. In this video, I'll show you exactly what it means, what causes it, and what to check before you call the dealer. First, let's quickly understand what the DEF system is. DEF stands for diesel exhaust fluid. It's used in modern tractors from brands like John Deere, Kubota, Case IH, and New Holland. The DEF system works with the SCR system, selective catalytic reduction. Here's what happens. Diesel exhaust leaves the engine. DEF is injected into the exhaust stream. It breaks down harmful NOx emissions. If the system detects a problem, the tractor will trigger warning lights, reduce engine power, derate, eventually limit speed. In extreme cases, prevent restart. That's why this is serious. This is where most owners make a mistake. First stage, DEF warning light. Second stage, engine power reduced. Third stage, speed limited to 5 mph. Final stage, no restart condition. Once you reach derate level 3 or 4, you usually need a scan tool to reset it. That's when repair costs go up fast. Now the good news. Most DEF warnings are not full system failures. Here are the most common causes. 1. Old or contaminated DEF fluid. Get a DEF. Expires. If it sits too long, it breaks down. Concentration changes. Sensors detect out-of-range quality. Fix. Drain tank refill with fresh DEF, API certified only. Never use. Old opened containers. Off-brand questionable fluid tube. DEF. Crystallization. DEF leaves white crystal residue when it dries. Common areas. DEF. Injector nozzle tank cap. Lines, fittings. If injector clogs, the system can't properly spray. DEF. Fix, inspect for white crust buildup, clean injector area, replace if heavily blocked. 3 DEF tank heater failure, winter issue. In freezing temps, DEF freezes around 12 degrees. Modern tractors have tank heaters. If heater fails, system throws fault codes. Symptoms: warning light in winter, works fine in warm weather. 4. DEF pump or sensor failure. Less common but more expensive. Possible failed parts. NOx sensor, DEF quality sensor, DEF pump module. These usually require diagnostic scan tool confirmation. Here's your action checklist. Step 1. Check DEF level. Step 2. Look at fluid condition. Cloudy, contaminated, old. Step 3. Inspect cap and fittings for crystal buildup. Step 4. If fluid is old, drain and refill fresh. Step 5. Don't keep running it if it starts derating. Early action saves money. Call dealer if multiple warning lights appear. Tractor enters hard derate. You see active fault codes. Restart is blocked. At that stage, scan tool diagnosis is required. Typical repair costs: DEF fluid change, cheap injector cleaning, moderate NOx sensor replacement. Expensive full SCR DEF module. Very expensive. Ignoring the warning is what turns a $50 fix into a $3,000 to $5,000 repair. DEF systems aren't bad. They just don't tolerate neglect. If you catch it early, it's usually simple. I post real tractor repair fixes every week. Subscribe if you want to save money and fix it yourself.